What's going on YouTube? I'm Adam with Push the Envelope, the channel that gives you everything artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you so much for joining me on my very first video ever. I am super excited to get started and I can't wait to give you guys content. This first video, I'm going to explain who I am, why I'm doing this, and what you can expect on this channel. So first, I have a computer engineering degree from Binghamton University in upstate New York. After graduating, I went to work for the government on the Air Force side, mostly testing space command and control software. But while I was there, I started to hear this new word, artificial intelligence, and it sparked my interest to learn more about what this was, how it can be used, and what cool things that I can do with it. So right off the bat, I did what most of you are probably doing. Going online, searching for tutorials, looking for videos, looking for blog posts to explain to you what AI/ML is, how you can use it, and what it can do for you. Eventually, it turned into me loving artificial intelligence and machine learning, started using it for a bunch of cool side projects, and really got interested in the field itself. So I decided to take that and go get my master's in artificial intelligence and machine learning engineering from Colorado State University. At the same time, I changed to the Space Force, and here I started working more and more with artificial intelligence and machine learning, from using models to creating my own and deploying them. And I really got to test my self-taught skills and my master's degree in this area, and that's where I am right now. All that being said, I'm really here just to give back. Give back to the community that helped me learn all my skills and put me where I am today. And I'm hoping to get beginners on the same path that I am, but learning from my mistakes, learning from my failures, and just getting everyone generally interested in joining this growing community. I'm also trying to fix a problem within the field, and that's a lot of times developers are very good at talking to other developers, making models, and doing very cool things, but it sort of doesn't translate well when you go to talking to people in business positions or the users. And these are the people who really need to understand the model of how it works, how it doesn't work, what it can and can't be used for, what are its limitations. So you're going to see a lot of my videos at first are going to be accessible to anyone, regardless of their background. And that's because I think it's very important that everyone understands what this is, because in the end, everyone is going to have to be a part of this. Also, I'm hoping a lot of my videos, as we get into more development roles and start focusing on more technical stuff, will give you the skills to translate exactly what you're doing to someone who may not have the technical expertise or may not have worked with it before. So hopefully you're going to see a lot of what I'm talking about in a bunch of individual videos and series that I have planned out. But it's very important to me that I get your guys' feedback on what I'm giving you. I'm going to be honest, I have a day job that I love and I'm not planning on leaving anytime soon. So I really need to make sure that what I'm doing is worth my time and is worth your time. The best way to do that is just drop likes on videos. If you learned something in a video or if you found something interesting, just drop that like and I'll be able to see that you guys are getting something from it. Also, subscribing to the channel if you find that you're getting a lot out of the content and you want more of it. Subscribing is the best way to stay up to date on the channel and get all the latest information. But for now, I have a bunch of content and new ideas to give to you guys. So please, stay tuned to the channel. Again, subscribing is the best way to do that. It gives you up-to-date information on when I release new videos, and so you can go in and check those out. But for now, thanks guys, and I'll see you later.